Good evening, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that can truly change your life: English fluency. We all know that English is a global language, whether it's for career growth, education, or travel. Being fluent in English opens door and endless opportunity. But many people struggle with speaking English because they fear making mistakes. Today, I want to tell you that mistakes are not your enemies. They are your greatest teacher. Why do people struggle with English speaking? Most learners focus too much on grammar, rules, and hesitate while speaking. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But remember, no one speaks perfect from the beginning. Just like you learn to speak your native language by listening and practice, English fluency comes in the same way by using the language daily. How can you improve your English fluency? Let me share some but powerful tips to help you speak English fluency. Okay, so first one is think in English. One of the biggest problem learners face is translating words from their native language to English. This slows down your speech and creates hesitation. Start thinking in English even for a small thing like I need to drink water or what should I wear today. The more you practice think in English, the easier it will be speak naturally. Now, second one is speak every day. Speaking is like exercise. The more you do it, the strong you become. Talk yourself in English, describe your surrounding, or have conversation with friend or language partner. If you no one is available, record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. Third one is listen and imitate. We learn by copying, watching English movie, TV shows, and interview. Listen to how native speaker pronounce word and try to imitate them. Use the shadowing technique where you listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately with the same tone and rhythm. Fourth one is expand your vocabulary. Learn phrases, not just word. Instead of memorizing important, learn how to use it in a sentence. Like it is important to practice English daily. Write down a new word and trying to use them in real conversation. Okay, now and fifth one is this: stop being afraid of mistake. The biggest barrier to fluency is the fear making mistakes. But think about this: how did you learn to ride a bicycle? You will fail, got you, and keep trying. The same goes for English. Every mistake you make, it is a step close to fluency. Now we are going to talk about sixth one. Sixth one is surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Read books, watch English content, and even think in English. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the faster you will improve. Okay, now this one is for you. Fluency does not happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Even the greatest English speakers start from zero. If they can do it, so you can do it. Don't compare your journey with others. Focus on improving yourself every single day. Speak with confidence even if you make mistake. The word doesn't need perfect speaker. It needs confident ones. So take the first step today. Start speaking, start practicing, and never stop learning. One day you will look back and realize how far you come. Thank you.